Hello class, and welcome to Excel using the and or functions. My name is Bill Borquist and I'll be your instructor for this lesson. By the time you finish this video, you'll have a basic understanding of how to use the and the or functions in Excel. What is and or? The and or functions are used in Excel to determine multiple criteria when using the if function. The and or functions are pretty much always used within the if statement. A function within a function we call sometimes a nested function. Let's take a look at the syntax and a simple example. The general syntax for the and function and the or function is equals and parentheses logical 1 comma logical 2 comma logical 3 comma and so on. For example, let's say we have a worksheet that has 3 columns and we have a customer status, either preferred or standard, and the number of years that they've been a customer. So for them to get a discount on their order, they have to meet 2 criteria. They have to be a preferred customer and they have to have been a member for 5 years or more. Okay, so if and A2 equals preferred and B2 is greater than or equal to 5, then yes, they get the discount. Both criteria have to be met. With the or function, only one criteria has to be met. So if they're a preferred customer or they've been there 5 years or longer, yes, they would get the discount. And that's sort of a little bit how the and or functions work. Let's go ahead and go to Excel and do some real examples. Okay, everybody, here we are at our worksheet, and we're going to talk a little bit about the and the or function. Now, this is the actual worksheet we're going to use for the Fallbrook Country Club membership, but let's get a little bit of practice first on how the and function works. Okay, the syntax of the and function looks like this: and logical 1, comma, logical 2, comma, logical 3, comma, and so on. Okay, 4, 5, 6, 7, and that's your criteria. Okay, so the and function, all the conditions have to be true to get the true result. Okay, all the logicals have to fall in line for it to be true. So, for example, let's say for this and function, if this cell equals 5 and this cell equals 10, show me the word yes. Otherwise, show me the word no. So I'll do equals if. 100% of the time, the and function and the or function are always used within an if statement. Open parentheses, and then and B3 equals 5 and C3 equals 10, close parentheses, comma, show the word yes, comma, show the word no. Remember, I have my quotes surrounding actual words, and I should get a yes in there. Okay, and I do. If I change one of these numbers to an 8, now it has no. Okay, now it has no because both conditions are not met. One's met, but not both. I'll put that back to a 10. Okay, and the or function is very, very similar, but only one condition has to be met. So equals if or parentheses B3 equals 5, comma, C3 equals 10, close parentheses, show the word yes. Otherwise, show the word no. Okay, so only one condition has to be met. Okay, or I should say at least one. If I change this to a 9, okay, this is no because they both have to be met. This still says yes because that's still a 5. One of them is met, so I'm getting a yes right there. So I'll go ahead and change that to a 3, and now they're both no. Okay, all right, let's go to our worksheet. And this is the Fallbrook Country Club. We have 25 members. Let's look at our scenario. Fallbrook Country Club has 25 members. The office manager wants you to figure out 2 scenarios on whether or not the members qualify for preferred member status. All right, task 1. In column E, use the correct nested function that determines if the member qualifies for preferred status, if the member has been a member 5 or more years, and their membership type is premium, display yes in the cell. Otherwise, put no. Copy down the column. Okay, so we have an AND function here. Both conditions have to be met. This has to be 5 or more years, and this has to be premium. Let me do, let's see, equals if, open parentheses, and C6 is greater than or equal to 5, comma, D6 equals premium. Close parentheses, comma, yes. Otherwise, no. There we go, double check it. Looks good, I'll hit enter. And I get no. I'll center align it. I'm getting no because both criteria are not met. Yes, it's over 5, but it's not premium. The next one should be yes. So I'll double click my pill handle. And there we go. All the yeses should have 5 or more and premium. And they do. Okay. Now the OR function is pretty much similar. It's very similar to this function, but we want to use OR instead. So we're going to do equals if, open parentheses, or C6 is greater than or equal to 5, or D6 equals standard, premium, yes, otherwise put no. There we go. I almost messed that up there. Yeah, or C6 equals 5, or if this equals premium, they are a preferred customer or preferred member. There we go, and they are preferred. Okay, they don't meet both criteria, but they meet one of them. They're over 5 years. And I'll copy it down. And there we go. Okay, some no's and some yeses. There's a no there because both are not met, but there's a yes over here because one of them is met using the OR function. Okay, so if I change this over here to premium, make sure I spell it right. Now they are a preferred member because they meet both the criteria for the AND column. Okay, so that's a little bit on how to use the AND and the OR function within an if statement. Very popular in the real world. You might see it on the expert exam for Microsoft Excel, Microsoft Office Specialist exam, expert level for Excel. Very, very possible you'll see the AND function or the OR function. Okay, we'll go ahead and stop here, and I'll see you for the next video.